In this video, I'll show you how to use overdraft coverage on Cash App in a simple way. Overdraft coverage lets you spend a little more than what you have in your balance. For example, if you only have $10 but need to pay $20, Cash App can cover the extra amount for you. Your balance will go negative, and the amount will be automatically paid back the next time you receive money. To use this feature, you need to have a Cash App debit card, and you must receive at least $300 in direct deposits each month to qualify. To get started, open the Cash App on your phone. Then tap on the balance icon at the bottom left of the screen. From there, head over to the card section and tap on free overdraft coverage. For this, you first need to set up direct deposits. And if you meet the requirements, you'll be able to continue and turn it on. If you haven't set up direct deposit yet, Cash App will guide you through the steps to do that. Once it's activated, you can spend up to $50 more than your available balance whenever needed. The amount you use will be automatically repaid when your next deposit comes in. And that's how you can use overdraft coverage on Cash App. Thanks for watching.